Right, welcome back to AutoID TV, and today you join us with the F87 M2, more specifically my F87 M2, because finally, we're going to be doing some styling mods to this car. So we've got a few big mods, few little mods that are going on today, and to be honest with you, I've been desperate to get this done. We've had loads of stuff going on, it's been getting in the way, not to mention Nathan's G82 that's sitting there has probably taken over a bit of a booking time. But without further ado, let's get into it. Let's show you what we've got going on the car today. No messing about. This is the big thing that's going on today. This is going to be the carbon fibre boot lid. I'm really looking forward to getting this on the car. I'm a bit of an OEM plus guy, so we're actually going to fit this today. It's going to be left carbon today, but it is going to be getting painted because I've got some paint that's going to be going on the front of the car as well. So I'm going to essentially have this in mineral grey on the top, mineral grey there. I'm thinking of leaving like part of these bits carbon, but yeah, we'll see how we get on. Nathan doesn't like this boot lid, but oh well.
I do not like this boot lid. I think it looks like devil horns, but yeah.
The car was delivered with some caps, and to be honest with you, they've been on the car probably for a little while now, and they're wet carbon, so they've gone to...
Yeah, they don't look great.
They look crap. Yeah.
So now it's time to change them out for some TRE.
Got some TRE pre-preg carbon caps going on today, so they're going to replace them, which is good.
And talking about mirror caps quickly, this is another thing that I personally wouldn't do. I said to Jack we need to put the mirror units on because we sell a lovely, beautiful mirror unit which makes it look like the M2 Comp mirror caps with a little M, but Jack's just OEM man. He said it don't come with M, so I'm going to stick it to that. But yeah, thought I'd just mention that quickly.
Yeah, sorry guys. Down the side, some side skirts. Again, I like to keep stuff quite simple, so we've just got some flat plain side skirts going on today. These were just being installed with some self-tapping bolts and some 3M tape, so nice simple install. And then up front, just next to this nice little bug that I've got there, so I don't know why that's there. Up front, we've got the TRE front splitter. So this was supposed to look, this was like when we designed this was based around the M2 competition splitter that had just been released. And obviously this is for the OG, so we basically redesigned a whole front splitter because BMW never actually made a front splitter for the OG M2. They made little front winglets. So yeah, sort of integrated that design into a splitter. So
this is my favourite OG splitter by far.
Yeah, it looks so clean on the front.
Excellent.
So yeah,
let's crack on.
Let's do it.
So as Jack mentioned earlier in the video, here is the current wing mirror caps which are on the car. I'm not too sure whether you'll see picking it up on camera, but these are a set of like sort of cheap wet carbon mirrors. And as you can see, the lacquer's started to almost like bubble and mess with the weave. Good thing is, the mirrors we're going to be replacing with them are pre-preg carbon, so you won't get any sort of deformities like this on the new set we're fitting.
So we're going to get started with the boot lid first. It's already got a carbon spoiler on there, which is nice. I actually think this is a TRE spoiler, but we're going to be taking that out, change it off today. And yeah, let's just do it, let's get going.
So Jack just was messing about with a boot lid and he smacked it onto his knee. Ah! I'm gonna get cinematic to Jack's knee quickly.
It's like the good old days, mate. This is me in my prime. Popping on a little mirror cap.
Jack was fitting mirror caps for 5 years before AutoID started.
Yeah.
Straight in.
There you go, and that's why you go TRE.
Yep.
Split the skirts, let's do it, let's get up on the ramp. So, boot lid and mirrors are done. Now let's get the front splitter and the side skirts on. Interestingly, this car looks like it's never actually had any form of a front split or even side skirts installed, not even the rear winglet. So, she is a minter, mate, absolutely fresh, and I'm about to change all of that. So up the front, we've got the TRE front splitter. As we were saying earlier in the video, this is like the OG splitter for us. It suits the front of this car so nicely. And I mean, just briefly talking about it, there's a few reps on the market that are kind of a replica of this design. This is the original design. This is the one that's been made out there. This isn't actually available from any other suppliers other than AutoID. So if you want it to look like this and fit the way that this one does, you definitely need to kind of hit us up and get that for your OG. On the side, we've got the basically simple flat plane side skirts. I'm kind of a fan of these. I've kind of moved on a little bit from maybe the whole winglet design. We've obviously fitted and seen a lot of them, so it's quite nice to do something a little bit different with this car. Just above that, we've replaced the mirror caps, as we spoke about. Nathan probably showed you in the video. The originals were going all bubbly along here. That's not going to be an issue with these. They're super thin, super lightweight, pre-preg.
I actually weighed them, which I'll show you right now. So this is a set of wet carbon mirror caps, some really cheap mirror caps. They've obviously been in the sun for a little while, and you can see the lacquer has gone extremely funny, and they weigh a lot more. This is just comparing it to pre-preg set. You can see the lacquer is extremely good. You get a 2-year warranty on these, and it's full carbon. So here we've got the wet carbon cheap mirror caps on the scales at the moment, and we're weighing in at 0.15. And now we've got the TRE pre-preg ones, putting them in, and 0.05. You can see they're considerably lighter. But yeah, definitely go for them.
What was the difference?
These weigh 1/3 of what the plastic ones were.
Mad.
Which is a considerable amount.
And then if we move around the back, got the carbon boot lid. So I'll say now, it's obviously not for everyone, but I'm a big fan of the design. I think it's quite nice that it incorporates the sort of CS style of spoiler, but into the boot lid, so it's quite clean.
Yeah, obviously, like a spoiler's been built into the boot lid.
Yeah, it's fully carbon at the moment, and Christ, that is hot. It's going to be painted, so it's going to go mineral grey on the top. This is all going to be mineral grey as well. This is all going to be mineral grey here, and then we're going to leave a strip of exposed carbon along there too. It's going to be quite a subtle boot lid. If I just open it up quickly, so it's all carbon on the inside as well. So
one thing to note though, where this boot lid is so light, and when you're lifting the boot
yeah,
up,
it literally can fling straight up.
It can fly up a little bit.
If you look here, Nave, what this boot lid has also got built in is the brackets for the M Performance style of wing. So if you do go down that route, it's really easy to fit the carbon boot lid and the carbon wing at the same time.
Interesting.
Something to keep in mind. And obviously you've got all the ancillaries here, so the camera, lights, all that stuff all integrates nicely. And that's it. That sort of brings it to a close for this round of mods. Obviously we've got the Miltech on there now, we've got the lowering springs, we've got the spacers. We can drop a link to that video below if you want to catch up with that. But the next thing is going to probably move on to some slightly bigger mods again. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you have any questions about your F87 M2 and how we can help you, let us know. If you aren't subscribed, please do so, because it really helps us out. And that's it. We'll see you maybe next week in next week's video.
Catch you guys on the next one.